Want to hit millionaire status in 2026? It's not about a lucky stock or crypto gamble. It's about choices starting today. In this video, I will break down the exact plan that I would follow step by step if I was chasing that millionaire title next year. From mindset shifts, income strategies, investment moves to the habits you must lock in now. This is your blueprint. Hi, I'm Hari, your favorite data guy, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps. Now let's get going. Let me ask you something. What would you do if you knew you exactly have 1 year to make it to a millionaire status? What choices would you make differently starting today? I am in my 30s. If I were chasing $1 million net worth in 2026, just 12 to 18 months from now on, I would treat today as year one of this mission. I wouldn't wait. I wouldn't hope. I would just act. This is the plain spoken blueprint I would follow, because the truth is, becoming a millionaire is not magic. It's the discipline, momentum, and smart action. If you are ready to go from maybe someday to a millionaire next year, this video is for you. So let me talk about the mindset and foundation. Step number 1, define what millionaire means to you. Is it a $1 million net worth or $1 million in liquid assets? Define the number, write it down, habit, stack it. Because if you don't define what $1 million means to you, you would chase a vague number. You would chase a vague goal. You would choose a vague goal and never have clarity. You know, it is well said that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step, and this was your first step. Write it down. Step 2, believe you can do it and treat it like a mission. Research shows that folks who hit millionaire status consistently treat money like a discipline, not a waiting game. That means no longer saying, I would get rich someday. You say, I will be rich in 2026. You behave like it now. Step 3, build your health tripod. Sleep, momentum, recover. You're only as wealthy as your health allows you to be. If you are burned out, you can't execute. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Move daily and eat like you're building something tomorrow. The body is your business platform, and we all know that healthy brain lives in healthy body. So take good care of your body first. Now let's talk about income acceleration. Step 4, earn more. Raise your income aggressively. Saving wouldn't make you a millionaire in 1 year unless your income scales. Data shows that higher saving rate plus higher income is equal to shorter path to 7 figures. And this is a simple math problem. If you can take care of other aspects, it's about money, your motivation, and how well you can increase your income and also increase your investment. So if you can take care of all other aspects of becoming a millionaire, this becomes a maths problem. So more money you save, more money you earn, you will reach your millionaire status aggressively. So pick your career move, negotiate a raise, switch to a better job, or start a side hustle that pays big. Make extra income non-negotiable. And especially if you are young, invest in yourself and try to acquire knowledge, learn some high income skill set, and learn how to sell. And learn how to present yourself well so that you can treat yourself as a commodity and go and sell yourself. And just to clarify, we all sell ourselves. When we go and do a job in interviews, we sell ourselves and we tell the business owner that we are bringing these things on the table, so that's why hire us. And this is the story in every field. So learn how to present yourself, how to be confident, and how to reflect energy out of yourself. And this will bring you money. If you are in real estate, suit up. If you are going for the interview, dress the best you can, and always nurture yourself with focus, smile, and confidence. Now we are going somewhere, okay? So step 5, pick one high value skill and dominate it. Whether it's copywriting, sales, coding, digital ads, or building a business, skill matters. The wealthy doesn't hope, they produce value. AI is rising, but guess who will outrun it? People who build unique values and scale it. And let me give you an example. Elon Musk, he didn't know about rocket science, but he thought about a problem that NASA is facing. He built SpaceX. Failure after failure, he was able to succeed one day without any knowledge beforehand. But he believed in himself and worked hard with the high value skill set, and he dominated this particular field, and that is why he is a billionaire. So think about a problem that you want to solve and you will be able to achieve your goal. If you are increasing your skill set, Also think about listening skill. I was listening to a podcast from a billionaire and he was talking about solving problems and how he articulated that this is the problem. So he was showing a presentation to his potential clients, and out of 10 slides there was one slide on which the client said, wait, go back to that slide. And he told that this is exactly the problem that I want to solve, but no one is able to solve for me. And boom, the billionaire got this idea. Okay, this is the problem he is facing, maybe someone else is facing. And this is how you develop skills to tackle problems. And this became your new startup pitch for every other client because you have discovered one problem. So always keeps your ear open and always keeps your eyes open wide so that you can observe people and you can listen to their problems, and that's how you can solve problems for others and money will come to you. If you start solving problem, then money will come to you. The same way EV started and the whole industry got started, the same way Elon Musk started his SpaceX. Discover problems, find its solution. And this takes me to step 6, multiple income streams. Millionaires don't rely on one paycheck. They build several salaries plus side businesses plus investments plus massive passive income. Begin now. The sooner you diversify, the faster you compound your wealth. And this takes me to the next stage where we will discuss about savings and investment strategy. So, step 7, automate savings and investments. Set up auto transfers every payday. Save first, spend later. Experts stress this habit. And you can think about 401k. It's so successful everywhere. Why? Because the employer deducts from your paycheck before it hits your account, because it's on auto pay. The same way, once the money hits your account, make auto transfer to your investment, to your saving, and then think about spending any money. Step 8, max out tax advantage accounts. Now 401k, IRA, Roth, if eligible, use them. They are the legal tax shelters that let you money grow faster. Many rich people owe half their wealth to smart tax strategy. And you might have heard that billionaires don't pay any taxes because they have built systems that they earned, they write off. So they show depreciation somewhere, they make income somewhere, and they nullify it. They don't pay taxes. And why would they? Because they have built those systems that can take care of all the income that they have made. Step 9, invest in index funds and assets that compound. You don't need to pick individual stocks, though you can, but what you do is consistent investing in broad market index funds and diversified assets. Compounding is real. According to Investopedia, starting early is a key millionaire habit. And why not? When you start at 20, you have 40 years of compounding left before your retirement. But when you start at 40, you have only 20 years before you retire. So the more early you start, the better are chances that compounding will work in your favor. So start early as you can. And this takes me to step 10, which is most important. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Save your raises. Whatever money you bring more, save it. When your income rises, most people go and spend money and increase their cost. But to hit a millionaire status fast, you will not inflate your lifestyle. You will save and invest every extra income that you are making. So now we are going somewhere. Now let's talk about businesses and assets. So step 11, acquire assets, not liabilities. Assets generate cash flow or appreciate. Liabilities cost you. Aim to own business, real estate and investments, things that earn you money while you sleep. Step 12, build or buy a business with scale. If you want to hit $1 million in 12 to 18 months, relying only on salary is not enough. Consider a business model, scalable service, digital products, online brands. It's all about leverage. And this takes me to step 13, real estate or alternative asset play. Now, real estate still holds for many millionaires. Rental income, equity growth. But if you are young, you can learn more into online assets or businesses. Choose what you can manage and scale it. Step 14, protect your assets with smart cash and insurance. Now, wealth is not just about earning, it's also about protecting. Make sure you have got liability coverage, business protection, and don't risk everything on one bet. So now we are talking. Now let's talk about habits, discipline, and culture. Step 15, track your net worth monthly. Record everything, cash, investment, debt. Know your numbers and watch it move. Out of sight is out of mind. Step 16, surround yourself with high performers. It is well said that you are an average of 5 friends that you have. So make sure that you surround yourself with those who are motivated and who can push you forward rather than drain your energy. Step 17. Read, learn, upgrade yourself continuously. Books, courses, mentors, education still wins. The wealthy are always learning. Step 18. Fail fast, iterate faster. If something doesn't work, pivot. Speed matters more than perfection. Alright, so this is not just theory. If I was chasing $1 million in 2026, I would wake up tomorrow and act like it. Clear mission, elevated income, automated saving, invest smart, build scale, protect assets, develop habits. If you want to be a millionaire, you have to start now. No waiting, no excuses. Let this video be the launch point of your millionaire journey. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. It really helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.